Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications on your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings, then you have to move for the apps and notifications, and here go for the notifications management. And here we got all apps on this list, and we can adjust all of these apps with the notifications. So for example, if you got a lot of notifications for maybe from the Facebook, you can enter, and then you can permanently turn off the notifications with this feature, but you can also just skip the display notifications on the status bar, and also we can activate it notifications on the lock screen. So currently it is displayed, but we can just hide this notification content. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.